Boedeker Plastics, we offer many career opportunities with long-term stability and growth potential. We are an independently American-owned and operated plastics company established in 1984 based in Shiner, Texas. We offer one of the world's most extensive inventories of plastic and composite sheets, rods, and tubes with industry-leading customer services. We also manufacture CNC machined and injection molded plastic parts. Our facilities are backed by our talented personnel with over 1,800 years of combined plastics experience and state-of-the-art manufacturing technology. Our customers range from small startups to large multinational corporations throughout North America and worldwide. We serve numerous industries such as aerospace, defense, oil and gas, food and beverage, medical, and semiconductor, to name a few. Our broad base of customers allows for steady and stable growth despite the ups and downs of individual industry segments as they cycle through growth and recession. Our products and services solve some of the most complex and challenging problems related to corrosion, wear resistance, weight reduction, temperature extremes, static control, and others. At Boedeker Plastics, we offer many career opportunities with on-the-job training that include warehouse technicians, inventory control, inside sales, outside sales, technical support, marketing, accounting, purchasing, IT, clerical, machinists, CNC programmers, quality inspectors, and engineering positions. Benefits include a competitive hourly or salary pay structure with monthly performance bonuses. We also offer health insurance, basic life insurance, a 401k savings plan, paid time off, and paid holidays. Join Team Boedeker for a challenging career in a growing high-tech industry where your efforts will positively impact current and future generations. Boedeker Plastics is an equal opportunity employer.